You know that lime buildup or that scaling that builds up around your faucets at home? Well, that can build up inside your water heater too, and we don't want that because it limits water flow. So we have a descaling kit that includes a bucket, 2 flexible hoses with 1/2-inch NPT connections, and a submersible motor with it. Now, you can either use vinegar or professional descaling fluid that you can buy to actually descale the water heater. So let's go ahead and do that. Before you remove the hot and cold PEX lines from the appliance, go ahead and shut off the inlet water to the water heater. Let's remove the hot and cold PEX lines from the appliance and then connect those 2 hoses up to it. Let's attach the flexible hoses to the hot and cold water lines on the water heater. And then what I want you to remember is the cold water line will attach to the submersible pump. And the hot water line goes in the bucket. Go ahead and submerge that into your descaling fluid. Turn your pump on for 45 to 60 minutes, getting that fluid to circulate through the water heater and descaling the appliance. Once that's complete, you're going to remove that pump, remove that fluid out of the bucket, replace it with fresh water, and circulate it for 15 to 30 minutes, and that'll clean that descaling fluid out of the appliance.